What's going on, my friends? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be talking about this guy up here, Cardano, and why I think Cardano is the best investment for 2021. Even if we are to go bear, which is completely possible, I think Cardano is one of the best investments in terms of risk to reward for this market cycle, just because of the sheer potential in Cardano and also some huge catalysts coming up on the rise. So if you don't know what Cardano is, I do have a video for Cardano completely explained for beginners and everyone else. I also have a whole playlist for Cardano full of awesome information about the crypto and why I love it so much, what makes it so good and actually useful. But in this video, I want to talk more or less about market cap and potential with those catalysts that I mentioned a second ago coming up on the next few months. So in the next few months, late August, early September, we're supposedly supposed to see a smart contract official release on the main network for Cardano. So they're going to be smart contracts enabled. This is going to allow projects to build on Cardano and actually start building up the ecosystem officially. It's going to be really big for the project. Now, right now, Cardano is sitting at $1.48, and the total market cap, it's only $50 billion. Now, only, yes, it's still a lot of money, but it is a top cryptocurrency. It's a little bit more established than some of these ones down here in 30, 40 place, a little bit more stable and less likely to flop. Obviously, it still could flop, but what I want to point out is that its market cap is only $50 billion. And if it's going to go to something like Ethereum's market cap of 281 billion, and this is also when we're down in the markets, Ethereum would obviously grow as Cardano grew, but it's a 6x, and the risk of you going down 6x is really low. You obviously could go down 50%, and it's going to be harder to get up 50% after you go down 50% because now you have to double your money math. But I do think Cardano does have some huge catalysts coming out, and I really do believe, especially in a long-term hold, even not just for 2021, but well into the future, Cardano is going to be able to, give you a 10x or 20x, where Bitcoin could give you maybe a 10x in 10 or 20 years, but it's not going to be as efficient of an investment in my mind in terms of return on investment as Cardano would be for your money. Now, there are some other catalysts that could be very big for other competitors of Cardano like Polkadot. But in terms of marketing and community, I really do believe Cardano does have the best of these both worlds. They have their community down super strong and rapidly growing, and they have a lot of good marketing around themselves. If you look in the crypto space, people always say Cardano has some of the best marketing around. Just their purpose and their mission and the way it's all professional and academically sourced makes it a very more sustainable project to invest in, because investors actually know a little bit more what they're getting into, and it's kind of in a way changing the way people look at cryptocurrency. And they do have a lot of innovation behind their team, and their leader Charles Hoskinson is of course very liked among them and their team. So Cardano is backed by good people, has a good purpose, great marketing, a strong community, and the potential to grow a lot, being only at a $47 billion market cap. Those are the main reasons why I think Cardano is the best investment for 2021. I do believe we could see the market go bear here, but if the market is to go bullish and everything is to shoot up, I think Cardano is the basically best investment in my mind, because the risk is not that high. Obviously, you could get a high reward if you go down into these smaller market cap coins, but also your risk is higher. Being in the top 10, actually the top 5, Cardano is going to allow that risk to be a little bit less and the reward to still be quite healthy. Now, I've talked about this before, and I've talked about why I think Cardano is such a good investment. Of course, I am completely 100% biased, and everything I say is speculation. I am not a financial advisor. You can't tell right now because I'm in space, but actually this is my mom's basement. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you agree or disagree, feel free to leave a comment down below. I will reply to it almost certainly. And thank you guys so much for watching once again. It's been your friend Jack. Peace out.